then wash it with the towel.
With the water.
Look, water.
Enough na.
That's it.
And then, what do you do? And then what's next?
And the tongue.
That's enough. Oh, sige, brush your tongue. Don't do that. The tongue. Ako, tongue out, tongue out. We will show in the video. Guys, this is how you brush your tongue. Tongue out, tongue out. Yan. Yan, like that. Tongue. Open the lights.
Open the lights. And the...
Yeah. Come on. Brush more. Brush more. Okay, and then what's next?
What's next? Wash it.
Enough na.
No.
Come on na, guys. Oh, guys, look at Jap. He's done washing his teeth. Brushing his teeth.